Temperature change is one of the biggest causes of climate change today. Our planet is getting significantly warmer at an alarming rate, and it won't be long until it has reached the point of no return. One place that will be affected by this is Miami. As temperature rises, more ice is being melted, which raises the sea level. Data has shown that our oceans are the hottest they've been since the early times of Earth. It is said that Miami is one of the cities that has the highest risk of being flooded if the sea levels continue to rise. This is because it is located on the coast of Florida at a very low altitude. This can severely impact communities located in this area. Many people would be forced to relocate to a safer area. Many homes would be lost and jobs would be gone as well. The economy would take a huge plunge if this were to happen, which would affect people who don't even live in that area. There are a few ways that we can fix this and hopefully reverse temperature change. One of these ways is to reduce the amount of toxic gas that we are putting into our atmosphere. It is creating a greenhouse effect that is warming our planet faster than usual.